Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make these small flowers. They are super easy to make. These are 3 different sizes using 3 different hooks. The bigger one is 4.5mm hook, the second one is 4mm hook, and the last one is 3mm hook. So let's get started. For the purpose of this video I'll be using the 4mm hook and DK yarn. You can obviously use different size yarn and different size hooks for different sizes flowers. So we'll start this flower with a magic ring. Then we'll chain 1 and place 5 half double crochets into the magic ring. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull your tail to close the ring shut and place a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Now we're going to start the first petal, chain 3 and make 3 partially made double crochets into the same stitch. So you yarn over, go through the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go into the stitch again, repeat that 3 times. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook, then chain 3 and slip stitch back down into the same stitch. And that's your first petal. Now slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat that. Chain 3 and then make 3 partially made double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook, and then chain 3 and slip stitch back down into the same stitch. And that's it, that's the pattern. You'll have 5 petals all together. I'll just remind you how to make them. It's slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, then place 3 partially made double crochets into the same stitch, and then go through all 4 loops on your hook, chain 3 again, and then slip stitch back into the same stitch, and slip stitch in the next stitch, and repeat that. This flower is super easy to make and it takes about 2 minutes really. Well, definitely not longer than 5 minutes. When you've finished your last petal, just pull on that tail a bit to tighten it and then pull your yarn through and cut it. If you are going to sew it onto a project, then leave yourself enough tail to sew with, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to cut it short. And that's it, you're done. There's your flower. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.